Hello guys, I am Ramesh Shah from Science Classes. Today I am going to start the chemistry and in which classification of element, and that help you in bridge course as well as entrance preparations. Then classification of element, and we discuss about the different law, that is the different periodic law. Then first of all, Mendeleev periodic law. Mendeleev's periodic law. What is Mendeleev periodic law? Mendeleev periodic law means the Mendeleev gave a law on the basis of which he prepared periodic table. That is the Mendeleev periodic law. The Mendeleev periodic law states that the chemical and physical property of an element is periodic function of their atomic weight. It states that the physical and chemical properties of an element is periodic function of their atomic weight. Okay, this is Mendeleev periodic law. Okay, another modern periodic law means Moseley periodic law. Modern periodic law. Modern periodic law, it states that the physical and chemical properties of an element is periodic function of their atomic number. Okay. Another, nowadays there are 118 elements in periodic tables, in which 92 are natural. And when previously, when the elements was classified then in three categories on the basis of conduction of electricity, that is metal, non-metal and metalloid. Classification of element on the basis of conduction of electricity. Okay, then here metal means which are a good conductor of heat and electricity. In this we can write they are good conductor of heat and electricity. Another, they have high melting and boiling points. Another, the valence number of valence electron is 1 to 3 in metal. They have 1 to 3 valence electron. Example, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, chlorine, fluorine, sorry, these all are the non-metals, like as sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silver, gold, etc. That all are the metal. Another non-metal. Non-metal. Non-metal means and which are bad conductor of heat and electricity. The elements and which are they are bad conductor of heat and electricity. And they have more than 3 valence electron. They have more than 3 valence electron. Example: hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, etc. And they have low melting and boiling point. They are non-malleable and non-ductile. We already know, but in short I have written that all. Another metalloid means and which have the characteristic of both metal and non-metal, that is which are semiconductor. Metalloid they are semiconductor. Example: boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, etc. That all are the semiconductor or metalloid. Another, when we discuss about the period and group, then what is the period and group? First of all, period. We already know period means the horizontal arrangement of element in periodic table. That is the period. In modern periodic table there are 7 periods. Okay. It is horizontal arrangement of element in periodic table. There are 7 periods and group. Vertical arrangement of elements in modern periodic table, that is known as group. There are 18 group nowadays. Okay. And another, when we talk about the valence electrons, then the electron present in valence shell or electron present in outermost shell of an atom is known as valence electron. And that valence electrons determines the group of the element in periodic tables as well as the valency of the element. Like as the valence electron of sodium is 1, then it can lose 1 electrons to complete its octet, and so its valency is 1. And its valence electron is 1, and so it lies in the group 1a. Another, when we talk about the aluminum, then aluminum, when we write electronic configuration of aluminum, then there is a 3 valence electron in aluminum, and so it lies in the 3a group, and its combining capacity is 3 because it loses the 3 electrons and become stable, and so its valence is 3. In this way, the valence electrons determine the group as well as the valency. Another, number of cell determine the period. Like as in sodium, first cell contain 2, after that 8, and then in 1. Then there is a 3 cell in the sodium, and so it lies in the third period. Another, when we discuss about the chlorine, then chlorine contains 17 electrons, in which 2 electron in first cell, 8 electron in second, and 7 electron in third, and it also lies in the third period. Another, potassium, then in first cell 2, second cell 8, third cell 8, and fourth cell 1. Then it lies in the fourth period of the periodic tables. In this way, the number of cells determine the period of the elements in periodic tables. Thank you. This much for today. Another day I will bring another new topic of the chemistry. Thank you.